There's also another tab called Attachments. Now let's go over to a channel that accepts attachments. Go to Dashboard. I've created a DICOM listener channel. Now we can see the source first message has an attachment. We can see the attachments tab right here. So we can see the raw and the encoded message and the attachments. So in this view, there's a few columns. First is going to be the number. So this is going to be the index of the attachment attached to the message. Usually this is going to start at 1 and increment with every attachment. Next we have the type. So this is going to be the type of the attachment stored. This could be text/plain or application/PDF, depending on what you specify in your channel. Next we have the attachment ID. So this is going to be the unique ID of the attachment that's stored in the Mirth database. Now there's two ways to view an attachment. We can either double click the attachment row and we can select which attachment viewer, or we can select our message, and on the left hand side under the message tasks we can see view attachment. So let's go ahead and send our own attachment. You can right click on the data table and let's send a message. We can open a binary file. Let's send the Mirth logo. It's going to show the base 64 encoded message. Let's process message. And we'll have to click search again. So let's view our message. And you can see that there's an attachment. So let's view. And let's select the image viewer because we know it's an image. Click OK. You can see that's the Mirth logo. Now what if we tried to select text viewer? You can see that this is the base 64 decoded. It's not going to show us much. We can also see it encoded. There's a few types we can send through. So another one we can send through is a PDF. So let's go ahead and send another message and select a PDF. And let's look at this PDF. So as you can see, I have a dummy PDF file. And we can view the contents of the PDF using this PDF viewer. There's going to be some outlines here that we can see. You can see over here it's going to view every single page. I've only got one page, so it's just viewing the first page.